Matthew McConaughey is one of the coolest and calmest people on camera. Let's just watch him as he's asked the question about the importance of money. And then I want to give you 3 things that I think he does exceptionally well, which you can apply in any situation, but also on camera as well.
People always say, like, money doesn't make you happy, but it makes me very happy. I mean, I like to have money.
Money's good in that if you have some, it can take away a lot of stress that a lot of people have that don't.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm happy to say that my rent's going to be paid. My kids are going to eat. Not everyone can say that.
The first thing is his presence. If you ever watch him in any interview, he's genuinely present. He really listens to the question and then he contemplates it. The second thing that makes him so relaxed and so calm, and it's something you can do, is simply just changing your posture. Even if I just lean back like this and I put my hand up here and I relax and I tilt my head just slightly, just a little bit, it gives you a very different feeling. It's a calmness that he carries, and he does this in so many interviews. One of the things he does a lot, if you ever see him on a talk show interview, is he'll do this. He'll put his hand out and he'll lean across the chair and he'll lean right back like that. So that's something that you can do if you want to create a sense of calmness, but that physiology naturally makes your body go calm.
After that, you look at certain things you need, you look at certain things that are luxuries.
The third thing I think he is a master at is he takes his time. He contemplates. If you notice here, his eyes drift off. And I did this in a Leo DiCaprio video as well. He looks down, which is an internalized thought process. He comes back, as did Leo DiCaprio in the previous video, if you watched it, and bang, he's anchored straight on. And he doesn't rush the answer. And I think that's the key to quiet, calm confidence, just delivering the message in a really natural way. And if you notice his body language, he still maintains it in that calm, cool, relaxed manner. The fourth thing that I think is a really great quality for you to practice, whether it's on camera or around friends, is delivering a meaningful message. He really brings to the surface a thought. It's not just an intellectual answer. It's something he's genuinely considered, and he says it and makes it relatable. So he talks about his families, for example. And I think that's a great quality when it comes to calmness and wanting to have some sense of meaning when you're talking to people.
Money's good in that if you have some, it can take away a lot of stress that a lot of people have that don't.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm happy to say that my rent's going to be paid. My kids are going to eat. Not everyone can say that.
And the last thing he does here, he brings into the conversation his own philosophy, his belief about whether money makes you happy or not. And he just gives you his view on it from a very deep perspective. And again, when delivered in a calm way with slow sentences and not rushed, and the tone of just that steadiness, you give a completely different sense of confidence. And also the person listening is drawn into that because they get a sense that this is somebody that's talking more meaningful than just spewing it out from their head.
You look at certain things you need, you look at certain things that are luxuries. I wouldn't say it buys you happiness, though. It can buy you access to things you may want. And then, like anybody, you also keep an eye on those things you want, because more options don't always make you happier.
So try those techniques. It's a really powerful approach.